Your catamaran is a masterpiece of design and freedom. Shouldn't its power source be just as advanced? Stop letting heavy and short-lived lead-acid batteries compromise your performance and peace of mind. It's time for a revolution in marine power. Introducing the lithium battery for catamarans from Bonnen Battery. Engineered with the safest LIFEPO4 technology. It is a powerhouse of innovation with IP67 waterproof, ready to face any marine environment. Best of all, it provides over 4,000 charge cycles, that is more than 10 times the life of traditional batteries. Completely maintenance-free. Our intelligent battery management system actively protects against overcharging, short circuits, and extreme temperatures, ensuring maximum safety and longevity. And because every vessel is unique, we specialize in custom solutions, designed to fit your exact specifications. Power your voyage with confidence. Power it with Bonnen Battery, engineering the future of marine power.